Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this oat and turmeric bar soap. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button and it will notify you when I upload a video. So let's get started. I will start by spraying my work area with rubbing alcohol. Wear my hand gloves. So I'll be using the melt and pour soap base. Now we'll be cutting out 40 grams of my soap base for this. Now I'll be cutting it into smaller pieces. Put them into the jug and microwave it for 30 seconds. Now it's out of the microwave, stir it. And I'll be sharing the liquid base into another jar. Now in the container, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin. And 8 grams of oats and stir. I'll be adding 6 drops of essential oil of your choice and stir. And 5 drops of fragrance. Stir and pour it in a silicone mold. Set it aside. And now, to make the turmeric one, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of honey. Then 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and stir thoroughly. Now I'll be adding 5 drops of essential oil of any choice and 5 drops of fragrance oil and stir. I'll be pouring it on top of the one I already made. Then I will leave it for 1 hour in a dry place. So here is the Oat and Turmeric Bar Soap. It smells amazing. This is a simple DIY bar soap. Try this and let me know in the comment section how it goes. Thanks guys for watching my video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.